Morning students, welcome back to online classes of session 2020-21. I am your computer teacher Mrs. Dipti Paul. In April, you had studied lesson 1 computers and you will get the notes of this lesson in school website. Now let's start our new lesson, that is lesson number 2, hardware and software. A computer has many parts. It has devices like the CPU, monitor, keyboard and mouse. Apart from these, we use devices like printers and scanner with computers, but we cannot make a computer work by just connecting its parts. We need to give it instruction on how to do a task. We give these instructions through computer programs. Now students, I know you all are aware about computers, that it is an electronic device. As it run by electric, that's why it is known as electronic device. And what do you mean by device? A device is something that is made to do a job. Okay, that is your device. That it is a something that is made to do a job. Like calculator. Calculator is a device that help us to do sums and all. Okay, that is your device. Now, computers store data and are useful in many ways. They are very fast and do work without any mistake. It helps us to do many things easily and in better way. It has many parts like monitor, CPU, keyboard, mouse, speakers, UPS, pen drive, printer and scanner. This part like printer and scanner are the other devices that connect with computers. And this part cannot do their work by their own. They need instructions to perform a task. And we give these instructions through program. Now about program. You studied in lesson number 1 about program. Program help computer hardware to work on data to give us information. For example, it can arrange name in order alphabetically or roll number wise, like that. And data. Data is a collection of numbers, words or facts. That is about your data. Now come to hardware and software. The parts of computer and the devices used with computers are called hardware. The programs that runs on a computer are called software. The hardware and software together make a computer system. The parts of the computer system that we can touch and see make up its hardware. Devices like monitors, keyboard, hard disk, CPU and pen drive are Examples of hardware. Some hardware devices like the hard disk and the CPU are found inside the CPU box. Monitors, keyboard, CPU, mouse are the example of hardware devices. Okay. The parts of computer and devices that we can touch and see is called hardware. Okay. That we can see also and we can touch also. That is called hardware devices. Just now I have shown you the picture like monitor, keyboards, CPU, pen drive. That all are the example of hardware devices. Like here in your book also given, mouse is there, pen drive, monitor are the example of hardware devices. But some hardware devices are present inside the CPU box like hard disk and CPU. Here this is the picture of motherboard and here it is your hard disk. Hard disk is a secondary memory and are connected through data cable. And this is your processor that is also present inside the CPU as a chip. And that hard disk is a secondary memory. Then what is your primary memory? That is your RAM is your primary memory. Now come to software. Software tells a computer and its devices how to work. It also helps these devices work together. For example, it helps move the pointer on the monitor when you move the mouse. We use different kinds of software to do useful things on the computer. Now what like hardware that we can touch and see, that is your hardware. But software we can't touch. It tells a computer and its devices how to perform its task and it helps devices to work together. For example, when you move the mouse on the pointer, also move on the monitor. When you move the mouse, the pointer on the screen also move with the mouse. And there are different kinds of software to do useful things. Here some of the common software are, in your book it is given Tux Paint is there, MS Paint, WordPad. Okay, these are the common software that we are using. Now next is about your computer system. A computer system needs both hardware and software to work. For example, to do sums on a computer, you need a software like the calculator program. This software works with the help of hardware like the CPU, the monitor and the keyboard or mouse. To play music on the computer, you need hardware, that is speaker or headphones, and a software for playing music. Okay, so computer system needs both hardware and software to work. Hardware or software alone cannot perform any work. Together they have to perform their work. They are useless individually. Hardware alone cannot do any work or software alone cannot do any work. For example, to do sum, you need calculator program, but with the help of CPU, mouse or keyboard, monitor, you can give the instruction to the software. Then only they do the sums. Same way, to play music on computer, we need hardware, that is headphone or speaker to listen the music, or software for playing music. Here it is given na, hardware plus software make the computer to play music. Okay, that is your computer system. Here I am showing you the picture of computer system. It is a drawing of computer system. See, speaker is there, DVD-ROM, monitor, printer, scanner, keyboard, mouse. They all are connected through cables. And when we give instructions to keyboard or mouse, that work will be done and be shown on the monitor. That is about your computer system. Now come to the types of computer hardware. Types of computer hardware. Hardware devices can be of different types. Three important types of hardware devices are input devices, output devices, storage devices. Now first, input devices. Input devices are used to enter data and instructions into the computer. The mouse, keyboard, scanner and microphone are common input devices. Here are some other input devices. These are the computer hardware. Here you can see keyboard, mouse, scanner and microphone are the input device. These all are the computer hardware because we can touch and we can see it. That's why it is a computer hardware. Input devices is a communication between a computer and a human being. It is used to enter data from outside world into primary storage. An output device supply result after processing from primary storage to user. That is the work of output devices. Okay, so here the common devices are mouse, keyboard, scanner and microphone that we are using. But some other input devices are here. First one is your trackball. A trackball is a pointing device like the mouse. It has a ball at the top or side. We can roll the ball with our fingers to move the pointer on the screen. Like a mouse, a trackball has buttons. So we know that mouse is used to text position, move, access and to control the graphics. Here in mouse, left click is there, right click is there and the scroll bar is there. That is used to move page up and down. Same way in trackball has a ball at the top or the side. You can see here it has a ball here also and on the side also, and is used in computerized workstation like air traffic control room, radar control room, like that. Okay, it also move when we move our fingers with the pointer, also move on the screen like a mouse. When we are moving the mouse, the pointer on the screen also moving. Same way with the trackball. Now next is your joystick. A joystick is a pointing device that is normally used to play games. Moving the joystick help us moving things on the screen. I know you all are playing video games. When you are playing video games, the device you are using to move right, left, up, down, that is your joystick. Okay, here it is clearly given device that is normally used to play games. When you are moving the joystick, help us to move things on the screen. Like when we are moving mouse, the pointer on the screen also moving. Same way, when you move the joystick to left or right, that also moves on the screen. That things also moving on the screen, left or right. Next is your webcam. A webcam or web camera is an input device that sends videos to the computers. It is used for video chat. Many laptops have a built-in webcam. Okay, webcam is there at the top. Like in mobile, we are using video calling. Same way in laptop also at the top, webcam is there. In that webcam, we can do the chatting. Video chat we can do. Okay, that is your input device. So that's all for today. Thank you.